Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series, here I came up with the 56th question written on the screen. And what is the problem statement of question given to us? The pth term Tp of harmonic progression is q times of p plus q, and the qth term Tq of harmonic progression is p times of p plus q, where p and q are greater than 1. Then they are asking which out of all this will be right. So Tp is what given to us, q times of p plus q, and Tq is what given to us, p times of p plus q. So guys, let us suppose there exists an arithmetic progression whose pth term will be 1 upon q times of p plus q, because when the reciprocal of terms written in harmonic progression is done by me, we will be going to get an arithmetic progression. Similarly, there exists a arithmetic progression whose qth term is 1 upon p times of p plus q, because we are comfortable in solving for arithmetic progression. We are not at all comfortable in solving for harmonic progression. So I changed my harmonic progression into an arithmetic progression. Let us assume the first term of that arithmetic progression be a over here, and the common difference of that arithmetic progression be d over here. So we'll be going to write a plus p minus 1 times of d is equal to 1 upon q times of p plus q, and a plus q minus 1 times of d is equal to 1 upon q times of p plus q. Now let's get the value of a and d. So by after subtracting these two equations, I'll be going to get minus a plus a cancelled, p minus 1 minus q plus 1 times of d is equal to 1 upon p plus q taken common by me, and 1 upon q minus 1 upon p will be written over here. So plus 1 and minus 1 will be gone, and we'll be going to get p minus q times of d is equal to p minus q divided by pq multiplied by p plus q. P minus q divided by pq multiplied by p plus q. Now p minus q will be gone, and d will be becoming 1 upon pq multiplied by p plus q. As soon as I got the value of d, I'll be going to substitute it in any of the equations given to me to get the value of a over here. So let's write the value of d in the first expression. It will be becoming a plus p minus 1 divided by pq times of p plus q is equal to 1 upon q times of p plus q. Transposing this thing from LHS to RHS, so a will be becoming 1 upon q times of p plus q taken common by me, 1 minus p minus 1 divided by p, it will be becoming. Now taking LCM, p will be the LCM, and p minus p plus 1 minus p plus p will be gone. So we'll be going to get the value of a over here as pq times of p plus q in denominator. Pq times of p plus q in denominator. As soon as I got the value of a as pq times of p plus q in denominator, and value of d also as pq times of p plus q in denominator, so we would have to proceed further and get the value of tp plus q and pq. So the value of tp plus q will be becoming what? 1 upon a p plus q, and 1 upon a p plus q means what? 1 upon a plus p plus q minus 1 times of d it will be. That means what? 1 upon pq multiplied by p plus q. 1 upon pq multiplied by p plus q plus p plus q minus 1 divided by pq multiplied by p plus q. So guys, the LCM will be same. Numerator will be becoming pq multiplied by p plus q divided by 1 plus pq, p plus q minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 gone, p plus q gone. So we'll be going to get the value of tp plus q over here as pq only. I got the value of tp plus q as pq only. So let's see if there is any option like this. Yeah, so our first option is very right. Now let's move on to the next sub part. TPQ I want. So TPQ will be becoming what? 1 upon APQ. And 1 upon APQ means what? 1 upon a plus pq minus 1 times of d and A, what do we know? 1 upon PQ multiplied by P plus Q. And D, what do we know? D, we know PQ minus 1, then PQ multiplied by P plus Q. So the LCM will be PQ multiplied by P plus Q will be coming in numerator, and in the denominator will be going to get PQ over here, PQ and PQ will be gone, so TPQ will become what? P plus Q. That is awesome. I got the value of TPQ as P plus Q. So let's see it is getting satisfied or not. So even the second option is getting satisfied over here. Now my dear students, I got the value of TP plus Q as PQ and TPQ as P plus Q, and P and Q is greater than 1 they told. Okay. So guys, whenever we do product of two numbers which is greater than 1, that will be definitely greater than the sum of two numbers which are greater than 1. That means what? TP plus Q will be greater than TPQ over here. So let's see if any option is getting satisfied. So TP plus Q is greater than TPQ means option C is also getting satisfied. That means the right options for this question is A, B, C. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.